Ever find yourself wishing you had a superpower to be in two places at once? Juggling appointments, keeping customers in the loop, and ensuring your team stays on schedule can feel like a Herculean task, especially when you're out in the field, focused on delivering top-notch service. You're probably nodding your head right now because you know exactly what I'm talking about. The constant back and forth, the "are you still coming?" calls, the occasional no-show that throws your entire day off. It's all part of running a successful service business, but it doesn't have to be quite so chaotic. Think about it. How much time do you and your team spend each week just confirming appointments, chasing down customers, dealing with the fallout of forgotten bookings? Those precious minutes add up, impacting your productivity, your bottom line, and even your stress levels. What if there was a way to automate a significant chunk of that communication, ensuring your customers are always in the know and your schedule stays on track, all while you focus on what you do best, providing exceptional service? Well, the good news is that superpower isn't some far-fetched fantasy. It's already within your reach, especially if you're using Housecall Pro. This powerful platform isn't just about scheduling and invoicing. It's a comprehensive tool designed to streamline your entire workflow, and one of its most valuable features is its robust reminder system. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of Housecall Pro reminders. We'll explore how to set them up, customize them to fit your unique business needs, and ultimately, how to leverage them to significantly reduce no-shows, improve customer communication, and free up your valuable time. Whether you're a seasoned Housecall Pro user or just starting to explore its capabilities, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to master this essential feature. So, let's get started and unlock the power of automated reminders in Housecall Pro. The first thing you need to know is that Housecall Pro offers a variety of reminder options, giving you flexibility in how you communicate with your customers. You can set up reminders to be sent via SMS, email, or even both, ensuring your message reaches them through their preferred channel. This multi-pronged approach significantly increases the chances of your customers seeing and acknowledging their upcoming appointments. Now, let's walk through the process of setting up these reminders. There are a couple of key areas within Housecall Pro where you can manage your reminder settings. The most comprehensive way is through your account settings. Head over to your Housecall Pro dashboard and navigate to the Settings section. This is usually found in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for an option related to Customer Communication or Notifications. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on updates to the platform, but it's generally located within the communication-related settings. Within this section, you'll find the settings for Reminders. Click on this, and you'll be presented with a range of options to configure your automated reminders. Here's where the customization magic happens. Housecall Pro allows you to set up reminders at different intervals leading up to the appointment. For example, you can configure a reminder to be sent 24 hours before, another one a few hours before, or even a follow-up reminder the day after the service. The optimal timing will depend on the nature of your business and your customers' preferences, so it's worth experimenting to see what works best. For each reminder interval, you can customize the message that is sent. This is crucial for providing your customers with all the necessary information and maintaining a professional and helpful tone. When crafting your reminder messages, consider including key details such as your company name. Reinforce your branding and ensure the customer knows who is contacting them. The customer's name. Personalization makes the reminder feel more relevant and less like a generic automated message. The date and time of the appointment. Clearly state when the service is scheduled. The service type, optional but helpful. Briefly mentioning the service can jog the customer's memory. A confirmation link or button. If applicable, this allows customers to easily confirm their appointment, giving you added peace of mind. Contact information. Provide a phone number or email address they can use if they have any questions or need to reschedule. Any important instructions or preparation requests. If the customer needs to do anything before your arrival, e.g., unlock a gate, secure pets, include those details in the reminder. Housecall Pro often provides default templates for these reminders, which can be a great starting point. However, I highly recommend taking the time to personalize these templates to better reflect your brand voice and the specific needs of your customers. You can use placeholders like customer_name or appointment_time. That Housecall Pro will automatically fill in with the correct information for each appointment. Beyond the timing and content of the reminders, you can also configure other important settings. For instance, you might be able to specify the days of the week or the times of day when reminders should be sent to avoid sending messages at inconvenient hours. Another powerful feature within the reminder settings is the ability to set up different reminder workflows for different types of jobs or customer segments. For example, you might want to send more frequent or detailed reminders for first-time customers or for more complex or expensive services. Housecall Pro's flexibility allows you to tailor your communication strategy to different scenarios. Now, let's talk about how these reminders actually work in practice. Once you've configured your reminder settings, Housecall Pro automatically takes over. When you schedule a new appointment, the system will automatically queue up the reminders based on the timings you've defined. You don't need to manually trigger each reminder. It all happens seamlessly in the background. This automation is a game changer for efficiency. Imagine the time your office staff or even you yourself would spend manually calling or emailing customers to confirm appointments. With Housecall Pro's automated reminders, that task is handled for you, freeing up valuable time to focus on other critical aspects of your business, like providing excellent service or generating new leads. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.